Well, hello guys. Today's 200 and first day of me doing CF every day until I reach expert, and I've been a bit busy currently. I mean, the past few days, so I didn't have much time to do CP. But let me finish a quick problem before going to work because I have an English class today and I need to teach those children. Okay, shit. I just plug in my charger, so yeah, whatever. Uh, this one seems easy enough. About 9,300 people have solved it, so maybe do this one. Let me read the problem real quick. You are given a string S consisting of Latin letters or question marks, okay? A tandem repeat is a string of an even length such that its first half is equal to its second half. Mm, by the deletion of several and possible zero for or all characters from the beginning and several characters from the end. Uh, a string. Oh, okay, okay. Um, okay. Your goal is to replace each question mark with some lowercase. T is 1000 and S is. Oh, the size of S is about 5000. So the first thing that I notice is that the constraints are pretty small, right? Only about 5000, so it's not so much. We can solve it in n power 2. So mm, okay, so for the first test case it should be AAB and AAB, right? And the second one is third one should be codes, and this will be also codes. And Codeforces is 0 because okay, understandable. mm, um maybe dynamic programming, or I think that I can do it a brute force way because the constraints are pretty high. It's pretty low, only about 5000, so maybe I can do it in a brute force way. This problem is solved by many people, so I don't think that it's really hard. um oh, it must be the length must be even, right? The length must be even. The first half is equal to its second half. Can we try every possible combination? Is that adequate? For example, we can find from 5000 to 0 the size of it, and then we can run a for loop. So that will be n multiple by n, right? Which is pretty adequate. Shit, the karaoke shop is currently a bit loud. It's near my house, so it's a bit noisy in my room right now, but you guys should ignore it. Don't really care about it. Uh, 5000. Yeah, I can do it in n multiple band. That should be alright. Yeah. In n will be s dot size. Uh, and maybe we should run from, yeah, to 1 emot. We only count the even numbers, right? The even half, so the even number, so I should divide it by 2, and yeah. Okay, okay. If okay, okay, okay. I think that, yeah, if n is odd, then cost will be minus 1, right? So cost will be here. Because, for example, if the size is 5, we cannot use the size 5 because it must be even, right? So we might use 4 here, okay? It's a double for loop, right? So uh, we should use two for loops. So run from j to run from j to what? Gotta stay hydrated, guys. I'm thinking about maybe taking some creatine because it might help me to build more muscles. I don't know. As far as I know, it doesn't have side effects, but maybe I shouldn't use it. I don't know. Oh my gosh, it's so fucking noisy. Mm, yeah, because yeah, let me open n more minus y. Yeah, that should be okay. Plus one, okay. Uh, yeah, we should compare it. We can compare it. Right, okay. Yeah, we should compare it. Temporary will be J, and tempor. It's so fucking noisy, guys. Oh my gosh. Um, Temporary should be smaller than J plus E. Okay, this seems pretty correct because yeah, that seems pretty correct. And what's the logic behind this one? The question mark here. It can be anything, right? It can be anything. So um, it could be anything. It could be anything. It could be anything. So it could be anything here. So okay, what should the constraints be? Question marks, and SJ is different than question mark, and SE is different than SJ. Right, then what? We should break it, right? Temp plus plus. Oh no, what is J? J should be E plus. Oh no, J should be temporary here. It should be temporary inside here. What should J be? It should be the other half, right? So it should be temporary plus E divided by 2. That seems pretty correct. Yeah? Okay would be okay should be yeah, okay should be 0 and break this whole shit. And okay is 1 here. Okay, so if okay is 1, then int answer here, answer will be yeah, answer should be answer should be E and break. I'm pretty sure that yeah, answer should be E and break. We break to this for loop, right? If answer, then break. Is anything of this correct? Yeah, I think so. Uh, Maybe print the answer there. I'm not sure, right? Should answer be 0? There's a test case where it's 0, right? So should it be equal to 2? Yeah. Okay, and if you don't find a solution in 2, it should be 0. That seems pretty spot on to me. Oh, 6 4 10. Will this even get time limit exceeded? I mean, it can't be this easy, right? It's a 1700 problem, and I solved it in like 10 minutes. That shouldn't be the case. Uh, will this get time limit exceeded? A for loop here, which will be 5000. Another for loop here, which will be another 5000. A while loop here, which might, yeah, this while loop is pretty big. So it might be n multi n. So I don't know. Uh, should I use long long? No, because the size here is super small. Let me check again if I'm correct. 6 4 10 0. Okay. I'm pretty sure that this will get time limit exceeded because no way D of division 2 is this easy, right? This must be time limit exceeded. In Q. Oh my gosh, why is it so long? Okay, let me open another tab. Uh, I don't know why it's taking so long, but whatever. Uh, my graph is kinda mid, I guess. I don't really like my 800 column so high. I don't like it. 900. Yeah, I should definitely solve more 1700 problem. Uh, why are you so long? I'm not even sure if this is correct, but I guess that I will need to skip and wait for it. Uh, to be honest, after going to the 1700 range, I feel like it's easier than the 1600 range somehow. I don't know. Maybe it's because I skipped hard problems in this range because as you guys can see, I always pick solutions. Oh, it's wrong, huh? It's wrong. I don't know why it shows that I'm wrong, but whatever. Uh, yeah, I feel like I'm avoiding harder problems because, as you guys see, all those problems I solved it mainly by my own, and the problems are submitted by a lot of people. So maybe I was avoiding hard problems, but I just came into this range, so I will start easy. Shit, why is it so long? I don't know. I have a class at 9 p.m., so maybe I should do an easier problem. Maybe a 1400 one. I don't know. Let's solve the 1400 one. Oh, it seems pretty decent. Uh, what should I do here? Maybe this one. I skipped this one in the real contest somehow. Somehow I couldn't solve this one in the real contest. So maybe let me read it. Okay, you really love gorillas, so you decided to organize a photo shoot for them. Shit, why is it so long here? The queue is just super long somehow. So you decided to organize a photo shoot for them. The gorillas live in the jungle, and the jungle is represented as a grid of. So it's like a rectangle, right? N rows and M columns. W gorillas agree to participate in the photo shoot, and the gorilla with index has a height of a Y. You want to place all the gorillas in the cells of the grid such that there's no more than one gorilla in each cell. Huh? There's no more than one gorilla in each cell, okay? Has a height. The spectacle of. What the fuck is a spectacle? uh, no idea. The spectacle of a sub-square is equal to the sum of the heights of this gorillas in it. From all suitable arrangements, choose a arrangement with the maximum spectacle. Nm the length of the jungle, right? And what is k? The side length of the square. I don't know. The number of gorillas in the first test case. What the fuck? The spectacle 31, okay? You must maximize it. All right. So two is a square that we must fit gorillas, right? Oh, it's running. Nice. Test case 18. I think that we got this accepted, right? Because no way, no way. Come on, come on. I didn't really think that a 1700 problem would be that easy, but I guess that I'm getting better. Whatever. Uh, if I can keep this pace, maybe I can get to specialist at the end of the year, which is about in 1.5 months. I hope so. Okay. You really love gorillas, so you decided to organize a photo shoot for them. Gorillas live in the jungle, and the jungle is represent. So we must fit the gorillas with the most, with the highest height in the places where it's easy to access, right? Yeah, I think so. You must put the gorillas in the positions which are easy to access. Uh, okay. You must put the gorillas. I hope that I can get that correct because if not, I have just erased off my whatever that is. Uh, okay, the number of gorillas. And sort it. Yeah, I think that we should sort it somehow. Okay, nice guys. What kind of brute force? Yeah, I did it a brute force way too. 2 pointers. Yeah, it's yeah. My solution is not really 2 pointers, but kinda. Yeah, kinda 2 pointers. What the fuck? Uh, Okay. Wow. Those solution looks identical to my solution. The solution looks pretty identical to my solution. Oh, they don't use a Y range, right? Why don't they use a Y range? I still use a n multiple by 3 solution and somehow it still worked. I don't know why. Okay. Uh, mhm. Okay, busy right now. I'm kind of super busy right now. Let's see. Shit, I have 15 minutes before I teach that class, so I guess that today's video ain't gonna be super long, but I will still practice off video. So yeah, thanks you guys for watching. But today I'm a bit hectic, so the video can't be really that long. But thanks you guys for watching it, and I hope that you guys enjoy my videos. And what more can I say? Bye bye, guys.